Meryl Streep and Anne Hathaway danced to a song by Mexican cumbia band Los Angeles Azules while promoting The Devil Wears Prada 2, South of the Border. Meryl Streep and Anne Hathaway hit Mexico City to debut The Devil Wears Prada 2. Nobody expected this level of fun. The queens of fashion drama traded icy stares for dance moves, and yes, it was iconic. At the highly anticipated premiere of The Devil Wears Prada 2 in Mexico, the atmosphere shifted from high-fashion elegance to full-on fiesta when the legendary duo took the stage and danced to the vibrant beats of Los Angeles Azules. And let's just say, Miranda Priestly would never. But Meryl? Oh, she absolutely did. The crowd erupted as the familiar cumbia rhythm filled the venue, and suddenly, the poised, powerhouse actresses let loose in a way fans have never seen before. Anne Hathaway, glowing in her stunning premiere look, couldn't stop smiling as she matched the beat, while Meryl Streep showed off her surprisingly playful side, proving she's not just the queen of acting, but also the queen of unexpected viral moments. This unforgettable moment instantly lit up social media, with fans across the globe losing it over the duo's chemistry. Clips of their dance spread like wildfire, with many calling it the most wholesome Hollywood moment of the year. And honestly, they might not be wrong. For fans of the original Devil Wears Prada, this was more than just a premiere, it was a full-circle moment. Nearly 2 decades after the first film defined an era of fashion, sass, and unforgettable one-liners, seeing these two legends return together already had fans emotional. But watching them laugh, dance, and celebrate like this, that just made everything feel even more special. Let's not forget, Meryl Streep's portrayal of Miranda Priestly is still considered one of the most iconic roles in film history. Cold, commanding, and effortlessly stylish, Miranda was not the type to break into a dance. Which is exactly why this moment felt so surreal. It was like seeing the walls come down, and fans were here for every second. Meanwhile, Anne Hathaway, who played the relatable and ambitious Andy Sachs, brought the same charm and authenticity that made her a fan favorite back in 2006. But this time, she's stepping into the sequel with even more confidence, experience, and star power, and clearly, she's having the time of her life doing it. And let's talk about the music choice for a second. Los Angeles Azules are known for their infectious cumbia hits that get everyone on their feet, and they did not disappoint. Their performance added a rich cultural energy to the event, making the premiere feel less like a formal Hollywood affair and more like a true celebration of music, film, and connection. Fans in Mexico especially felt the love, as the actresses embraced the local culture instead of sticking to a scripted red carpet routine. It's moments like these that remind audiences why they fell in love with these stars in the first place. They're not just icons, they're human, joyful, and totally in the moment. Of course, the buzz around The Devil Wears Prada 2 is already reaching fever pitch. While details about the plot are still under wraps, expectations are sky-high. Will Miranda still rule the fashion world with an iron fist? Has Andy completely transformed into a powerhouse of her own? And most importantly, will we get more moments like this? If this premiere is anything to go by, the sequel is bringing not just drama and fashion, but heart, humor, and a fresh energy that fans didn't even know they needed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.